Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this ScreenPal guide for 2026, I'll show you how to use the ScreenPal Screen Recorder. Whether you're creating tutorials, recording online classes, making YouTube videos, capturing presentations, demonstrating software, or recording gameplay, ScreenPal's Screen Recorder makes the process simple and efficient. So let's get started. First, sign in to your ScreenPal account and open the ScreenPal Screen Recorder. If you're using the desktop application, launch it from your computer. If you're using the web version, access the recorder from your ScreenPal dashboard. Once the recorder opens, you'll see several recording options. You can choose to record your screen, webcam, or both at the same time depending on the type of content you're creating. Next, select the area of the screen you want to capture. ScreenPal typically allows you to record the entire screen, a specific application window, or a custom-selected region. And that's how to use the ScreenPal Screen Recorder. By selecting the right recording settings, capturing your content effectively, and making a few simple edits, you can create professional recordings for tutorials, presentations, and online content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.